Welcome back. Today we're looking at a Cielo II floor plan at Cotino and Rancho Mirage. This is a 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3,540 square foot home. Upstairs is 2 bedrooms with outstanding mountain views of all the local mountaintops. But let's get started here in the exterior foyer. There's a casita out front that we're going to take a look at now. So I looked at two Davidson homes in Cotino, and both of the outdoor opportunity was in the courtyard. And when you have a casita and your pool in the courtyard, you get easy access for your guests to the fun stuff happening outside. Instead of having to go, a lot of the time the casita's out front, you got to go through the house to get to the backyard. But the overall connection between all the bedrooms with this house feels totally natural and smooth, and you should be feeling that with this three-dimensional walkthrough of the house. That's why I like to make these videos all in one shot, just so you could simulate yourself walking through the house. Sometimes when you're looking at the pictures, it's like, where am I? That looks nice, but I don't kind of lost track of where I'm at in the house and kind of how the floor plan feels. So again, that's why I make these walkthrough videos for you guys. So as I mentioned, this is a 5-bedroom house, and upstairs is going to be 2 additional guest bedrooms. Whenever you have a 2-story house in the desert, you get such extraordinary mountain views because a lot of the time the surrounding area is single story. Who knows how Cotino is going to end up. For now, the views up here were next level. I could see every mountaintop in a panoramic way. Those are the Santa Rosa Mountains. That's San Jacinto over there, that darker color. That's where the tram goes up. San Bernardino Mountains, San Gorgonio Peak, and then the little San Bernardino Mountains. That's where Joshua Tree's at, just on the other side of those mountains. But yeah, 2 guest bedrooms up here. I would guess this is where the younger kids are staying. It's kind of a little bit. I don't know. The stairs are just weird for me. I'm not used to seeing stairs here in the desert, but I guess people have lived with stairs for many years and everything's been okay. But it definitely seems like a great spot for the grandkids to stay. It would be a dream. And I say that, maybe I was influenced by the next bedroom here. It's got the bunk beds in it. Maybe you'd have mom and dad on one side and then the kids over here. Not a bad view. Mountains and pool. Alright, so now we'll take you to the primary home. I feel like we've been walking forever, but this is a 5,000 plus square foot home. The garage is right there to the left. It's locked, so I couldn't get in there. Just peek our head inside. They got a cool classic car in there, which would be nice if we can get in the garage, but a lot of the time these models are locked up. That's going to be the living room on the other side of that rolling wall. 3 guest bedrooms. I mean, it's basically a 3-bedroom casita with the upstairs loft, 2-bedroom. Little hidden barbecue area. So if you remember when you looked at the 2-dimensional floor plan, most of the primary suite is on the back half of the house. This is a flexible room, and then that open door there is the laundry that is connected to the primary bathroom. But now we're looking at the kitchen and living room. And plenty of room for a nice sized table. Obviously with these luxury state-of-the-art homes, just no shortage of windows. And I really appreciated all the natural light in the two homes that I looked at, built by Davidson. And I look forward to going back to looking at some of the remaining floor plans. I think they said they have 8 floor plans open to the public. It was interesting when I went to the model homes, when you have to check in and you go into like a little theater and watch, just get up to date on the opportunity here at Cotino. I just kind of felt like I was at Disneyland. They really treat you nice. The hospitality at the sales center so far has been really good. So that's your primary bathroom right there, and this is just a little water feature for ambient noise. We're gonna walk through that next, but I would almost say this is pretty much all primary bedroom opportunity back here. I mean, this is overflow for the living room, but right now we're gonna go through the primary. And I really like how it like wraps around the back of the house like an L. You'll see what I mean. So dual his and hers showers, and then a huge locker room closet that opens up into the laundry room and then spits you right back out, kind of where we entered the house, where that flex room is. So between your primary bedroom to here we pop out right at the flex room, and then the primary is accessed right in the living room. Very connected, easy flow floor plan. And then our final 5th bedroom right here. Another view of the pool. Obviously, this is a model home, so they're not all going to be this upgraded. I remember over a decade ago when I first got into sales, and I went to the model homes, and was just like, wow, this is a very nice neighborhood. I can't believe how nice this is. Thinking like all the homes are this upgraded. Obviously, this is going to be the top. So there we go. There's two access points to the garage, one over by the pool area, and then right there.